Yeah, so right now, we are in that general range here. The point 0.5 is getting a good reaction from it. I'm not gonna enter just yet. I do want to see some type of structure. Don't think we did anything major. We did tap in 7.9 off of this OTE. So from this swing high, swing low, we tap 7.9. Now, what is the biasness though? We failed to take out this high up here. We did take out these internals up there at the 15 minute. Doesn't look too bad. Besides, we manipulate these highs. So we'll see. But I do still want to see longs. I don't think that 15 minute gets topped either. So let's play this out accordingly. We'll see whatever setup presents itself first. I'm not gonna be stuck on a bias or married to one singular bias. But if this low gets manipulated here, I think longs would be beautiful. This low right here. So I'm gonna wait until those lows get manipulated, then we'll take a stab at entry for longs. Manipulation up lows, then enter on distribution. Good shit, bro. Took a PO3 on MNQ. Nice. Yeah, I saw that manipulation, that distribution. That was beautiful. That 930 open was nice. I just didn't. Yeah, I wouldn't personally have taken anything in this, like, at all. Only thing that I could have potentially taken was the shorts. Why would I take the shorts? We had manipulation highs and we had an order block here. So that order block in itself, that 0.5 reaction all the way down to -4 was peak. Right, that was a beautiful A plus setup. I would have taken that for over maybe, what was it, 120 points. Didn't take it though. Didn't see anything, didn't like anything on the charts. And I just missed that trade, obviously. Lives will be a lot more consistent because finally like settled in and stuff. Not even trying to make any excuses, but lives will be a lot more consistent. There is some divergence right now with ES and NQ, which is chill. But I want to see this low get manipulated and then we take the longs. All right, so the low just got taken out here. I'm gonna see what this does around this area here.
Order
All
filled.
right, this is a very early entry. Now, I should have waited for that internal manipulation here. I'm only size light here though. Oh, I'm size very light. What the fuck? I thought it was in two minis. Hold up. My copy trader's on. I'm gonna add here if this flips. Because we did tap 7.9 just now. 7.9 did just get tapped. But we also have 10 AM opener here, so we'll see what this does. That was a very early, very misclick entry right there. That is my fault. Seven nine is getting a reaction off of it. We do have a not a micro SMT ES to take out that low as well.
Order
I'm gonna
filled.
add contracts here. All right, now we're in for full size right now. We had that 7.9 reaction. I want to take this all the way to these internal highs for 61 points. Now, what's gonna be the A plus right here? This 1 minute inversing right now is gonna be the most beautiful thing, right? That's gonna be like, all right, we're good. We're in the bag. If this 1 minute doesn't disrespect, we're most likely gonna go to these lows. So that 7.9 is gonna hold right here when you see a displacement closing above this 1 minute, and we're cleared for those longs to play out. So we're getting a good reaction from that 7.9 area, which is nice. This 1 minute is slightly cracking through. We're just hesitating a little bit. I need to see how this 1 minute's gonna play out here. If we get immediate displacement off of this, then internal lows will be the most optimal to get tapped into. 10 AM did get open as well, or tapped into as well. Let's see if this wants to get resweeped. If this wants to go lower, we go lower. But again, our stop loss is protected. As long as prices want to sweep lower, I think we're good. Micro SMT here on NQ. So we have a little micro as well down here. That 1 minute should be getting come back, top right back into. Another micro at the highs as well. We're in a very interesting area on ES and NQ in the divergence right now, but let's see. All right, you see some speed efficiency now. I'm gonna literally only take one trade, and then if the setup doesn't play out or we don't get any OT here, then I'll just wait for I'll wait for 10:45. I'm risking 1,000 on this trade. 10 a.m. is getting tapped into again. We're getting good displacement off that 1 minute downside. This is where we have to be very wary here. If this chases that internal low, then we're cooked. But if we hold this area, then we're nice. 7-9 is still holding. That 6-2 got tapped again. I like that a little better. Nice. All right, beautiful manipulation right there. That just confirms this to be a literal beautiful setup. Double manipulation. We do have good displacement right there. Nicely done. 1 minute is currently getting inverse right now. That was a good close. We should get this trade pretty simple right here, pretty easy. Let's get this all the way up to those internal highs. Now, the thing is, though, can I easily target this to go a lot higher? Yes. Do I want to target basis to be done for the day at this internal highs? Yes. So, it's on a 3-minute gap right now. It's not. Yeah, I mean, we should be clear for this trade to even, there shouldn't be any gaps to go higher. Only thing that you want to worry about is this OT, since we are switching structure. We did just have 6-2. I will go break even 179 gets stopped, but that 1 minute inversion should be good enough for us to go higher. It's just the lack of follow through with NQ right now is a little annoying. ES is definitely picking up pace faster than NQ. Nicely done. All right, cool. I like that a lot. Beautiful. Let's get this continuation to go a lot higher. We're already up a good amount of profits right now. I will go break even on this trade, so now this is going to be a risk-free trade for me. Nice. All right. Beautiful. We are getting the good continuation that I'm expecting. Those internal highs should be getting tapped pretty soon. I do think we do have some divergence at 10:06, which is that SMT right there. Yeah, we have an SMT order block here. It did get nicely reacted here off of NQ. At the first time we tapped 0.5, we did tap -2. We're in that 0 of the order block. Now, if you guys want to TP here, you're already up more than enough. Be like more than welcome to TP here. This is already well enough trade. This is up 35 points. The full move I'm looking for is those internal highs, but you want to be careful about this order block here. We have that inversion, which is nice, which is obviously what we're looking for. But the 0 in the order block and this 0.5 should potentially still have some orders to go potentially low. But I'm holding this based off that 10 a.m. level, that -2, and also that 65 right there getting reacted off of, and that 7-9. I got you, Lucas. I will explain why I entered the trade in a second. All right, this should displace after this candle right here. I like that a lot. That rebalance was pretty weak. Let's see if that 1 minute inversion wants to hold here. Beautiful. All right, nice. I was waiting for that. I was waiting for that. Let's do it. All right, beautiful. Absolutely nasty displacement right there. I'm pretty tempted to move my TP, bro. I'm not gonna lie. I'm pretty tempted, but um, I honestly just want to finish this day really quickly. So let's get this going through right here. We're pretty close to TP right there. Let's run it. 0.5 and 7.9 is getting reacted here. That candle should close. So you see one last pop up to go higher. ES is about to close out those highs, so let's get this trade. All right, we're so close to TP. Let's run this. We're right there. Let's get it. Come on, come on, come on. Give me the squeeze. Give me the squeeze, bro. Por favor, thank you. No, we're just slowing down. We're gonna pop here, bro. But come on, give me that. Give me that. Give me that. Yo, bro. Give me the TP, bro. Yeah, I already know we're flying to all-time highs. I already know that. Dude, NQ lock. Oh my fucking god, bro. Yo, you can't be serious. Alright, moving TP. We're moving TP. We're gonna squeeze this for an extra $400. This is it's gonna wick and flip here. We're gonna wick and flip here and get a little more points. ES is approaching those highs up there. Those all-time highs. Let's run this up. TP is free real shit. Yeah, it is. Alright, beautiful. Full TP just got smacked. See, we get a little continuation here. Nicely done.
Order filled.
Fucking filled. Order failed. Alright, bang. Yo, can we all get W's in the chat for that trade or what? Can we all get W's in the trade? W's in the chat? W's? Let's run it. Absolutely smacked. Full TP for longs, bottom ticked it, and then just run it. Yeah, I literally got live for the perfect setup, bro. Beautiful. Good shit, Tyson. Tyrese. Good shit, Jason. Smacked. Alright, well, that's how we do it. Easy, one and done for 2.6K across my accounts. 70 points on that. I'd love to see it. Let's turn on the executions here. Damn, I mean, yeah, we just finished that up pretty nice. I mean, that was a banger of a hold. I think that was what 10-minute trade right there. 7-minute trade for 3x. Let me check out. Not bad. Not bad at all. You going live tomorrow? I will go live tomorrow. It's my birthday today, so I'm gonna spend time with my family and stuff, but tomorrow I will be live. I appreciate that, Chase. Thank you. We are flying, bro. Oh my god. Thank you, Lucas. I appreciate that, man. Bro, all-time highs holding, bro. Oh my god. All-time highs holding. Bro, the charts need to move like this every single day.